guys. They're playing great cricket. I think we have won the first 2 games and one more game to go, and then the same is in the finals. So we want to make absolutely clean sweep, like like the way we did last time. And everybody is fit, everybody is enthusiastic, and I think I've seen this tournament, and I feel that I think ours is the best team by far.
With the confidence, I think I'm looking at the winners yet again. The champions will be Telugu Warriors. Now I'm going to shut my talking right here, and the floor is open to all the press members. Please shoot the questions, and we do have the winners here. Okay, while the press is still contemplating on the next question, I have heard that Big Brother, your NGO, Sachin, is doing quite well, and I believe you have a plan along with CCL that you have made with Big Brother, something to do with per runs, that you have some money put in?
Yeah, CCL has been a platform which has always tried to do something new and different and innovative. With entertainment being the core of CCL, they wanted to do something different, and last year they added angle of charity to it, and that really worked out well. Last year we had almost about 100 heart surgeries done for the underprivileged kids, and it went off really well. It ended up being 150 heart surgeries. This year they again took up a cause called Restore. Restore is, victims of acid attacks, women who can't really afford to, restore themselves. So that was the plan, and they came up to me and they said, can we do something again this year? And I said, well, I would love to double of whatever I committed last year, 1,000 runs, 1,000 rupees per run. But they said, we'll have many more causes to come. Let's continue that, and let's do 1,000 rupees per run. How many ever all my friends in various teams score will donate 1,000 runs, 1,000 rupees per run.
That's absolutely great cause, and we wish all the best to Big Brother, your team, for make many more runs. Akhil, I think this is one cause more than the trophy. I think you guys should make more runs for this cause.
Yeah, we had almost 5,000 runs last year. I hope this year we get more than 7,000 runs. So Akhil, what's the plan for the next game?
Plan is to beat Karnataka, knock them out of the season. What do you say?
So Karnataka is our next competition. His plan is to knock them out, and I hope we are able to do it successfully.
Operation Karnataka on.
Operation Karnataka, yes. Karnataka Bulldozers. Well, let's win the cup first, and then probably we'll decide where we go next.
Sachin, what's up?
So Nikhil, what's the plan that you have planned a strategy for the next game?
First of all, I thank this opportunity because it's great to be playing with Srishant Bhai and Venk Sarkar sir are like coaching us, and I want to thank Sachin Bhai because he's providing great facilities as a team owner, and Akhil has been captaining us, and it's wonderful. But I mean, yeah, the plan is for me to break into the 11 because the team is so tough, the team is so strong. There are 16 players here and everybody is a fantastic player. I think if I was in any other team, maybe I would have been able to play, but that's my ever lasting attempt, ever going on struggle till I get to the 11. Thank you, man. Thank you.
Now, what are your strengths that we should look forward to?
Well, I'm a team player, so whatever the team wants me to do, I'll definitely do it. So that's what even if it's being cheering from the bench, I'll do that. So thank you.
Okay, so let me only do the questions here. What's with the practice? Is the practice same as everybody does in the Indian cricket team level, or is it different?
Not at all. I think Dilip sir will agree with us. We're not at anywhere close to the Indian team. But we have people who are of quality of the Indian team, so we feel like that, and we feel very proud to be training under Dilip sir.
So, sir, this question I think is more appropriate for you. What is the training like for?
Actually, I was invested in the match. And Akhil and Prince, I think they batted like any other international player, to be honest with you. I think the way they played yesterday was something fantastic. They hit the ball out of the ground at will and with authority. And that is what I appreciate from all those guys, I think, who are playing along with us.
Yeah, as Akhil said, we thank our sponsors. They've been a good support last minute, and we hope to do our best and give you the best in terms of what we can. Thank you.
మూడు కోణాలుంటాయి. 1. ఎదుటివారి క్వాలిటీస్ నచ్చడం. 2